Welcome, this is Shree Learning Academy and today we are focused on key stretching. For more personalized training, message us on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. When we store passwords securely, we don't store them in plain text. Instead, we use hashing, which converts the password into a unique, fixed length string. But hackers are smart and have powerful computers that can guess weak passwords quickly. Key stretching is a technique used to make this process harder for hackers by deliberately slowing down the hashing process. So how does it work? Imagine you have a small lock with a simple key. If someone has a right key, they can open it instantly. But what if you could add extra steps like turning the key 1,000 times before the lock opens? This would make it much harder for someone trying different keys on one by one. Key stretching does something similar with passwords. It works by performing the hashing process multiple times, sometimes thousands or even millions of times before storing the final result. This makes brute force attacks much slower and less effective. Examples of key stretching in actions. Let's say you enter your password. Say my secure password. Now instead of hashing it just once like this. Key stretching algorithm will hash it many times. As you can see, the process involves hashing a value multiple times in succession. Each new hash is generated from the previous one, creating a layered effect where the final output is the result of repeated hashing. Each time the hacker tries to guess a password, they also have to repeat this time-consuming process for each guess they make, making the attack significantly slower. Common key stretching algorithms. PBKDF2, that is Password-Based Key Derivation Function 2, used in Wi-Fi security and encryption software. bcrypt. It slows down the attacks and adapts over time, used in many websites. Argon 2, the most modern and secure option used in advanced systems. So in conclusion, key stretching is like adding extra security layers to your password. Even if someone steals the database, they will struggle to crack your password because of the repeated processing. The longer and more complex the password, the more secure it becomes when combined with key stretching. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are looking for more personalized training, contact us on WhatsApp. We offer a range of theoretical and practical courses starting at just $99. You can also find a written explanation and a quiz on our website, link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. We are here to help. See you in the next one.